Hello, thank you for joining me on my channel. My name is Lindsay Godfrey. I'm the creator of the Consciousness Guide and Angel Oracle Messages. Today I have a message for you from our angels and guides. This is the one that they most want you to hear today. I have titled it, Stand in Wonder and Awe of Creation and Its Design. The wheels of cycles turn, and the vortex of change is upon you. Allow the voices of the ancient wisdom into your knowingness. All is recorded in the Akashic record and available to you. What has been hidden is open to you. As your energy and perception changes to the larger picture, the patterns and answers come with clarity. Clarity will allow the flow of words and energy, of strength and purpose. Doubt not the ability of the unseen world and the wave of the ascension and expansion to carry you along. No effort is required, just flow. Flow in the love. It is the life within and all around. Delight in daily movement and all that is present for you. What you have perceived in the past is not a part of the future. The future has a life and momentum that the whole of cosmos is involved in. You are but a cog in the wheel, an important cog, but only a part of the design, of the complex design that is the most beautiful, intricate grandfather clock of sacred geometry patterns that you can ever imagine. Yes, stand in wonder and awe at the creation and the design. Feel the joy of being witness to the grandeur and the turning of the pieces as the movements tick through the triggers of the next thing and the next. The domino effect is in play. Make your next moves with inspiration and divine direction. Repair any of the parts that call to you for healing. You cannot do more than play your part in the design, and that part is laid out in front of you daily. Just be patient as it unfolds. There is perfect timing in the mechanisms of this timepiece. It is not up to you to force change through the cogwheels any faster. You see, all patterns and pieces are at play already. Be available, be in joy and awe. Be in celebration of the great coming into alignment of the pieces, the wheels within wheels in motion that allow for the next trigger, the next ball to drop and roll, the next piece to lock in and pull the whole of the working parts forward toward the next event and the big finale. Be happy. All is as planned and in perfect order always. And so it is. The angels. If you found this message meaningful, be sure to like this message below and share it with your friends, and also subscribe to receive the latest messages. The blog post link to the Consciousness Guide for this Angel Oracle message will be posted in the section below this video, so you can read this message again if you'd like. And don't forget to check out my website for your free gift of an 1111 meditation from Archangel Michael or a Christ consciousness activation from Archangel Gabriel. Remember to live life